Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Greentherm. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot an AD error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving an AD error code, the appliance power derated and there is a possible reduction of comfort level. To troubleshoot, reset the error code by pressing and holding the on-off button for 3 seconds. If this doesn't correct the error code, check the air opening and exhaust opening for obstructions and reset the error. Then check if the flue length is according to the specifications under section 4.6 in the installation manual and reset the error. Check if the air filter is dirty or clogged. Replace it if needed. If the air filter is not installed, the burner may be clogged and need to be replaced. Follow the video linked in the description for burner replacement. Lastly, perform gas and air tuning following the instructions in section 8.12 in the installation manual. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.